Hello, welcome to my weekly recipe videos. Every Tuesday I'd like to release just a simple recipe I came across. This week's is recipe, I don't, is something odd because I don't usually eat breakfast. It's just, I don't usually wake up hungry. Some people do one meal a day or just do intermediate fasting or something like that. Anyway, I don't really plan out anything like that. It's just I don't usually wake up hungry, so I don't usually eat breakfast. Some people argue that's the most important meal of the day, but I just don't feel hungry when I wake up. I just don't plan that out. But looking through the recipes in this cookbook that I got for Christmas last year or the year before, I think it was last year for Christmas, there was a recipe called Noatmeal, and I can't pass up a good wordplay like that. So yeah, let's eat some Noatmeal for breakfast this morning. I'll go ahead and show you what's all in it. Here's all what's in it. It's starting off with 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of it says flaked coconut or sliced almonds. I'm going with the almonds. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 2 more tablespoons of sliced almonds. It says sliced almonds or hemp seeds, but good luck finding hemp seeds here in South Central Kansas. Pumpkin, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. You can also use cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of erythritol, or I'm using 3 to 5 drops of stevia. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and 1/4 cup of cold water. So yeah, hey, I just noticed that that's vegan as well. So yeah, a vegan keto recipe. I've been looking for those. Any suggestions are appreciated in the comments. But anyway, it's a really simple, easy recipe. All you have to do is start off with just put all the dry ingredients into the serving bowl here. And I'll get that mixed up. Smells really good. Anyway, now I'll add in the pumpkin puree. Get that mixed in. It does not want to mix in. Coconut milk. And water. I'll get that mixed up. And then I'll let that sit for 15 minutes. Alright, there's some vegan keto breakfast oatmeal. Yeah, a pretty simple, easy recipe. Just put everything in a bowl and wait a minute, or 15 minutes. But yeah, might be making that more often. Just to get a day started. But yeah, if you don't feel that's enough for you, you can have like bacon and eggs or something. But yeah, that's a very easy way to start the day for breakfast. Thanks for watching. Every Tuesday I want to share a recipe, and have a nice day.